Hey, what's happening, YouTube? So today we're going to install this. This is a MyQ Smart Garage made by Chamberlain. This allows your smartphone to control your garage when it opens and closes, which I think would be great. Hopefully it works flawlessly. I'm pretty sure it will, but we'll find out in a minute. All right, so let's go ahead and get this thing in. All right, so here we go with the MyQ unboxing of the Smart Garage Hub. You got a quick start guide, no big deal. It feels a little light and plasticky. Doesn't really have any real substance. Got 3 buttons on the side, a power outlet. Looks like a serial and Magnum on the back. That's always where to slide in for the mount. No other buttons on here. Puck looking transmitter. And nothing else on the backs. Also Mac. What else? A little mounting kit, mounting bracket. I'm assuming a power supply. And it is a power supply. Easy. All right. Well, there you go. That's it. Hey, what's going on, guys? All right, so there's a couple things about this Chamberlain that's kind of a pain in the ass. The first thing is I put electric tape here to cover the alarm. Whenever you close it, this thing beeps for like 20 seconds. The garage is making plenty of noise. I don't need an alarm to tell me I'm closing the garage. I understand why it's there, but it's just too much for me. I don't need it, so I covered it with electric tape. Second thing is you have 3 lights here. You have a green light, you have an amber light or yellow, and then you have a blue. So when it's on normal status, you can see it's just green. This is the pain in the butt about this thing. So you're going to go into the MyQ app, and then you're going to, garage door is now closed. So let's say, for example, we wanted to add another garage door. So this is what you'll be looking at right here, is this. It's going to go dim for you while it's trying to focus. So right here is the MyQ Garage Hub. This is one that I purchased. So you click on that, you're going to hit next, next, and it's going to say, do you see a blinking light, a blue? Okay, that's fine. Hit yes. If you don't see it, it'll just put the code in for you. I'm going to hit yes on this one. And what I want to do is, I want to show you something that it does. Well, it's going to look for a device, so I won't be able to get to it. But what it says is, it says to push the yellow amber light on. It just says it's below. It doesn't give you any idea. To get the yellow light to come on, you got to push the number 2 right here. All right? So push the number 2, yellow light comes on. It's in programming mode. Then you go to your garage and go ahead and push the learning code. All right? Now this is important. Once it does open and close the garage, push it again to then set it. If you don't do that, it just keeps going over and over and over and over, and then you just think it's broken. So I'm not even going to mount this on the wall. I just have it here on my shelf here. I don't need to mount it up there because it's sort of just like a remote clicker. That's all it is. So I don't need to put it up on the ceiling like they want you to put it. So it's really up to you. But to make it quick, remember, push the 2 to get the yellow. Then once it opens and closes, go to your garage, hit the button to learn codes. And then once the garage door opens and closes, then hit the yellow again to set it. And then wait for your phone to complete the pairing process. It doesn't say that anywhere in the instructions, and it should. Chamberlain, you need to be your instructions a little clearer because this is taking way too long than it should. It should be a 5-minute job at best. Instead, it turns out to a 15 to 20-minute ordeal, not realizing that you have to lock the code in. All right, well, that's it. I'm going to show you the next thing, which is how you mount it on the door. So here I have it mounted. All it is just Velcroed on. And there's a top and a bottom. So I put it down here. They're telling me to put it up in the middle. I was like, you know what? I'll just put it here. It's fine. It has a little bit of a lip to hold it in case the Velcro or adhesive fails. And that's it. You're just going to push this button once. It'll sync up to the hub, and that's it. It's pretty simple. So it just sits there in the garage. So basically, it can tell if the garage is in a vertical position or horizontal position. That's what it's for. So when it goes up and it goes down, it doesn't do anything else. It just sits there like a bump on a log. Hey, okay, so now the installation is done. I put the MyQ sensor on the door over there, as you see, and I have the actual hub I did mount on the ceiling. I was going to put it here on the side of the bench, but I was like, you know what, let me just take another 10 minutes, put it up on the wall. Pretty easy, got a ladder, 2 screws, real simple. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one. Please subscribe. I got another video coming out this week. So I got some earbuds, they're pretty good, so wanted to give you a quick review on them. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a great day.